Nej, världshjälp. Och jag really knows no comment. Well, hello, and welcome to another video app tutorial. Today, we will be exploring effects, mosaic masking, and video reversal. Let's begin. To start, effects. There are 7 categories: glitch, beat, motion, rhythm, retro, magic, and mirror. Let's demonstrate some of these to you. The first category are the glitch effects. These glitch effects will modify your video, provide a little bit of distortion, or perhaps some discoloration. The second grouping of effects is the beat effects. These effects are fast-paced, jerky motions, and they often provide a little bit of distortion as well. There are more effects that I am not showing you within the beat category, so download the app and check it out yourself. Thirdly, we have the motion effects. These motion effects are a little bit smoother than the beat effects and provide a little bit of that in-the-field camera movement that you may be looking for. Next, we will be moving on to the rhythm effects. I'd like to give you a little bit of warning because this is a very colorful and flashy part of the video. These rhythm effects are just a variety of color waves, from RGB warm to black and red flash. We also have a blue flash, orange flash, and let's not forget the purple flash. These are acid trip-like effects. Our fifth category of effects are the retro effects. These will make your video look a little bit more vintage, or perhaps they were on film, or maybe even a VHS style, where you get the date and year. These effects are pretty fun. Our second to last category are the magic effects. These will provide things that aren't actually in your video, like snow, a holy light. Perhaps you need a little ember falling from the sky in your apocalyptic landscape. Or if you just want that feeling like you're underwater. The last category of effects are the mirror effects. These provide a visual reflection of your video, one way or two ways, or they will visually distort or copy your image or video into multiple panes from 2, 4, 6, and 9. Again, I did not get every single effect that is in this app. There are more. But enough on effects, let's go to the other topics that are a little bit quicker. Our next topic is mosaic masking. This is blurring or pixelation of a face, license plate, or perhaps something that's gruesome. I'm going to hop into a project to show you this one. You can see I'm in a project, and I've got a video loaded in. I'm going to scroll along the bottom menu until I find the mosaic icon. Once you click this, you currently have 4 options, and these 4 options provide a translucent but distorted image over your video or picture. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully that was a feature you've been waiting to get. let's move on to the last topic. Video reversal. This is definitely a feature I've been looking forward to. This one's pretty fun, and let me show you how it works. We are going to start by deleting that mosaic icon and copying our video. To copy a video, we select it, slide over to copy. Let me zoom in to show you. Select, copy, and there you go. Now let's select our second video, the copy that we just made, and let's hit this reversal button right here. Please note, it will take a minute, and I am speeding up this process. May take a little bit longer for you. All right, now let's play this reverse video back with the original to start. This is the original. Individual is performing a backflip into an empty pool. Great job. Now let's watch them fly back up and stand there confused for a little bit. Hey, you landed. Good job. Here's some other samples. Oh, look at these happy guys jumping in. Now they magically fly back out of the water. Please note that the video reversal also works on the sound for the video as well. This is by far one of the funnest features of the app. Another reason I highly recommend you download it and start playing with it today. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something. Hopefully I can teach you a little bit more in the future. If not, check out my previous videos, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Keep coming back. I'll keep making stuff. Thanks. See you soon.